declare structure and access structure elements. So first I would like to have a new file. Inside that I am writing include stdio.h. Now int main, inside int main I am writing return 0, which is compulsory. Now how I can define structure? So here outside of main I have to write struct. So struct keyword, right? Name of structure I am naming it as say book. Now after this I am writing say book members. So book can have character array, name, or say book can have title. So I am not taking author but the title which is having size 10. Then I am taking int pages. Then I am taking float, say price, right? So I am taking 3 members. Now after that this will create some kind of form that this is some kind of data type. So book is kind of data type only. Now book behaves like integer, right? So integer, float, that kind of data type. You can create instances of book. How you can create instances? You have to first write struct book. This is similar with int, right? This is similar with kind of data type. After that we are writing the name of that, right? So I can either write b1, b2, or I can either write book 1, book 2. I am writing book 1, right? Now this will create one structure book 1 which is currently having garbage value as title, as pages, and as price. I want to that user is entering values, right? So I am telling user to enter value. How? By using printf, enter the value of books, right? So after that I am writing say printf /n, enter the name of book 1, right? Enter the name of book 1. In place of this I am writing say or I am using getS. I can use getS, right? So I am using say book 1 dot. So this is dot operator, right? So if you can see after using dot operator I am getting options that among which property of book 1 you want to pick. I want to pick A or say title as a property. So here user will be able to enter the title. Then after I am writing printf /n, enter the pages of book 1, and here semicolon, and here scanf %v as the pages are integer, and here it will be and book 1 dot which pages, right? Integer pages. After that I am just copying this thing and paste it over here. So here enter the price of book 1, and here it will be instead of pages it will be price. So if I save this program and if I compile it and run it, we will see if it is giving an error or not. It is not giving an error, it is executing correctly. Now I can enter, or user can enter any value. I am entering book name as the power of, or let's say say the shorter name, the power of subconscious mind will be so bigger. So X, Y and Z, right? Book name is X, Y, Z. Now the pages of book, say 250, and the price of book, the book is very cheap. So the price of book is 50. The program terminates correctly. I have not written any extra code, so it executes correctly. Now if I want to display the value, I can write something as printf here /n. After this I'm separating the things, and here I'm printing, say printf the book 1 is %s. Instead of %s I'm writing book 1 dot title. Let us just see if it is executing correctly or not. After said the book 1 is having %d pages, and here it will be say book 1 dot pages. Last but not the least, printf the book 1 is having price %f. Here it will be price as %f, okay, because price is float. So here it will be book 1 dot price. Let's put semicolon and let's save the program. Let's put /n over here, /n, here it will be /n, here it will be /n. Let me save the program, compile it, and if I execute, the name of book 1 is XYZ, pages are say 250, price is 50. So you can see the book 1 is XYZ, having pages 250 and having price this. So this is one way to declare book 1. Now if you don't want to use this syntax, you can eliminate it by just using book 1 over here, right? So you can also write book 1 over here. If I just save this program, compile it and run it, here I am taking ABC, then 250, then 10 rupees. Then you can see book 1 is ABC, having 250 pages and price 10. So these are two methods of accessing book members, that is book 1 and book 2. You can practice this program by your own and try yourself. So this is all about structures. Now in upcoming video, I am going to perform the practicals of structure. I am going to perform some manipulations like adding numbers or finding some kind of summation. So stay tuned with the practical section of structures, right? Then after I am going to cover union and the difference between structures and union. So I hope you enjoyed this class, understand the concepts. If you have any doubt, you can comment below the comment section and ask me. See you in the next class. Thank you so much.